Assalamualaikum.
Kita mau ada. Amin ya
One more game, bro. One more.
Kita mau main toti lagi. Kita mau main toti. Malah toto.
One more, guys.
Oh, toto dulu. Toto. Ini dulu. Confirm. Kita main.
Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today. No rain in sight. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and ready to provide expert analysis alongside me, Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. Stuart, what are you expecting to see?
Well, both teams know they need to start the game well here, try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
Ronaldo. And it might be. And now Ronaldo can he take the chance? Well, he's missed the chance. Martinez. Can he finish this? And the ball is loose. It's a goal! Well, it looks easy when you can put
Really, that it dropped to an opponent.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Al-Ghanam. Goalkeeper has it. Oh no! Not a moment.
About this, as you can see, this will go down as an own goal.
So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Tellez. The ball with Otavio. Ronaldo. Tellez. Abdul Rahman Hari.
pakai apa lu ini wajahnya.
And the keeper has it now. Ghari. Back now to the goalkeeper. Ali Lajani. Abdul Rahman Ghari. Laporte.
Kita main ini yang tonton Family 100 lu. Kita tonton Family 100 ini enggak pecah apa.
Careless in possession. And there it is, the half-time whistle.
Yuk.
So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. Sultan Al-Ghanam.
Ini betisnya ya, saya tengah ya. Batis itu. Betis. Betis kan dulu.
Well, we're into the final half hour.
Betisnya banyak.
To really get at the opposition here.
Imbang itu. Kaptennya is Lafort. Lafort. Arhega.
Luna Al-Khaibari.
2-3.
It's with
Jangan lawan
Laporte.
singa menang singa.
Itu. Tonton lagi.
Alex Telles.
Pertanyaannya tenang, santai. Secara spesifik, apa yang orang lakukan untuk menambah tenaga? Ayo, bisa apapun.
Kita lagi
Secara
penalti
spesifik,
shot up
apa
pas
yang orang lakukan untuk
Enak,
menambah
Al Nassr menang.
tenaga? Sekarang,
Al Nassr
Ronaldo,
menang
jawabannya adalah
nanti.
Makan.
Penalti aja nanti.
20 minutes remaining. Telles. Cristiano Ronaldo. Gyökeres.
Tolong bantu dari Saijel. Itu Saijel Junior, Sari Junior. Tekan.
My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the position is the midfield player Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. It's France against Paris Saint-Germain. Alex
Well, I'm
Telles.
excited by this encounter today.
That is that after 90 minutes. They are level. And extra time is coming.
Yuk.
So away they go again. The first period of extra time.
Dia main naik.
It's legitimate to ask to what extent mental strength will come into this. Looking forward to it. Otavio. Al-Khaibari. Sultan Al-Ghanam. So a throw in. Anthony Gordon. And he stopped them in their tracks. Otavio.
Tidak spesifik dengan fashion seorang-orang, tapi dari karakter orang-orang dan
Abdul
lain-lain.
Rahman
Oke?
Ghari.
Sip, kalau begitu berarti Crown All Star.
Here's Ronaldo. And the first period of extra time comes to an end. Still level here.
Dia main aja aku.
Well, on they go. Second period of extra time is underway.
Nah,
And I think just lost his focus for a second and a throw in conceded.
Kebakaran, bakar sampah,
makan sampah.
barbekyuan.
Awas lu makan sampah kalau udah main sampah.
Kita bersurvei satu sana ada 6 jawaban teratas di layar. Mungkin terjadi
Palestina.
Telles.
Palestina.
Kontak menghubungi.
It always had the potential to go the distance, and it has. So a penalty shootout is next. And this will test the mentality of any footballer.
Oke, dia selain hubungi terus. Bayangkan
Too much
situasinya.
elevation on the
Wah,
crossbar.
wah, wah.
Well,
Kalau
the
Tottenham
wild
menang
swing of
lagi.
the ball in the end. That was what it amounted to. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. And he's beaten the keeper.
Satu kalah.
He had to score, and he does. And he steps up to take his penalty. And then goalkeeper beaten from the spot. And up he comes, doing his best to remain focused. And he finds the net. He can hardly miss. And it's gone in. Can he get the better of the keeper? And he scores. You want a pressure cooker? This is it. He must score.
Mungkin terjadi jika teman yang
And the penalty converted here.
Nih, sama nih,
Can he remain calm?
terjadi
And
Nice. Nah,
well, he stuttered a bit, but the goal has been given. And he steps up to take the shot. Shot down from the spot.
terjadi jika teman yang bertugas membawa arang tidak ada kabar di malam tahun baru? Beli sendiri.
penalti. Kita main level divisi. Nah, malah sekarang tes sama apa?
Ada pintu.
Latih FC Mobile. Nomor berapa? Sudah ada tuh. Gak dengar gue. Apa enggak?
Oke, ayo bayangin. Ini bagus tapi tidak ada di survei. Apa yang mungkin terjadi jika teman yang bertugas membawa arang tidak ada kabar di malam tahun baru?
Karena malas beli sendiri, suruh orang lain. Jadi suruh yang lain, tapi kan tugasnya kan banyak nih ya. Terus kalian aja bawa arang gitu kan.
Sintayong. Sintayong. Oh. Mantap banget Ronaldo. Biar cepat kuatnya yang cool. Mantap banget ya bosku. Mantap banget bosku. Mantap banget. Oh, mantap. Oke, kita crossing dulu. Dan set. kita crashing dulu. Mantap bagus Ronaldo. Mantap baik kita aku juga bisa yang kayak kan. Mantap 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 makannya sedang pulang. Curi stadion.
Daripada terbang terus ya, hati-hati terbang langsung. Saat ini kan tadi kalian lempar, akan menjadi keputusan jika kalian bisa mengambil nilai 128 yang sudah dibutuhkan oleh lawan. Almas, apa yang mungkin terjadi jika teman yang bertugas membawa arang tidak ada kabar di malam itu? Kamu tuh suka banget camping ya kamu ya?
Ini kandang, di kandang.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis, Stuart Watson. And everyone here on Tenterhooks, you have to say with good reason.
Kamu camping?
Jadi kan aku SMA-nya kan asrama, terus kita kelas 12 gitu loh, lagi kayak paling terakhir kan datangnya, terus kita bercanda-bercandaan gitu, terus sama asramanya tuh dibuatin tenda gitu, terus karena kita bercanda-bercandaan, terus kayak arangnya kan meledak-meledak gitu kan, namanya juga cewek-cewek, jadi kita kayak
Nda is Madi.
terus kita iya tenda yang di pinggiran kan kayak tenda kondangan
Nda
gitu.
is Solo. Nda is
Well, the
Madi.
defenders know they
Nda
need to
is
get tighter when you allow runs like that. That goes down as a tame effort, and easy for the keeper.
Jangan bakar tenda ya, iya. Jadi tadi jawabannya adalah jangan.
Iya daripada ngebakar tenda lagi.
Ronaldo might be a chance here.
Offside. Tolong bantu. Tutup pintu dulu.
And that's all run through to the keeper. Attack just fizzling out at the end.
Ini.
And he's broken free. Rules to have taken up an illegal position, only just.
Bangsat. Tuh ya. Tuh. Tolong bantu. Kira jawabannya.
Nilai 128 nih sudah dikumpulkan oleh The Appeals.
Mane. What they do from here? And it's teed up for Ronaldo.
Yes.
Cristiano Ronaldo. That will be such a boost
Jika
for them.
teman yang bertugas membawa arang tidak ada kabar di malam tahun baru. Susulin.
Well, as you can see,
Kalian sebenarnya kalau nonton Family 100 lo mantap.
now with Hemmings. Possession lost there. Kane Hemmings. What can they do to stop him running out? There's a position as it gets us. Minute of time added on for stoppages.
Oh, gimana 1-0 dokter.
So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage. This match.
Nah, Lewin Mbappe.
Second half then.
Awas lo ya.
The chasing. Good technique displayed.
Menyusul hati-hati juga kena offside, oke? Tapi lupakan poin, kita fokus di uang. Ada 10 juta. Easy kita.
Lalu. 100.
Quite simply,
Kipernya mati nanti. Kiper mati.
Ada 1 unit mobil. Yang pertama tim ada Jacobs.
free kick to Real Madrid. After that, a goal just it'll be.
Ada open emergency line blender
Otavio.
Pinat payung timbangan toser
Here's Ronaldo.
awas semuanya.
Good looking attack. That is teed up for Ronaldo.
100.
Quite simply,
Kali rasa kau. Nih, lemot AC
well, they have it again.
sama AC Panasonic. Nih, pantokan.
And these supporters are doing everything they can to
They might be through here.
Yes. Nah, Panjami.
No, looking back now, surely.
well, there it is, in on the other side of the
100. Mantap Alila Jamil.
And a substitution in the offing. The ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands.
Kita kemahiran dulu.
Ronaldo on the move. He's in on a chance. Opportunity still there.
100.
There it is. That will put the seal on victory if there were any lingering doubts.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That took top-class goalkeeping.
And there goes the
Yes.
fans are going to be
Tangannya ada yang mana? Pernahkah kamu kalian tahu apa itu family 100 yang dilakukan secara menang yang dikatakan mungkin?
Emergency line blender vacuum cleaner payung timbangan toser bawa semuanya.
Mau semuanya.
Sudah dari tangan. Ayo semua peserta maju ke depan. Let's go.
Yuk, news. Ada. Pernahkah kamu kalian tahu itu kulan riwayat yang sesungguhnya di padatnya ini yaitu Cavasera, yaitu dari timnas Jerman, yaitu OVS 103 itu Premier League, Premier League, nolong Chims
Secara spesifik apa yang orang lakukan untuk menambah tenaga? Ayo, bisa apapun. Secara spesifik, apa yang orang lakukan untuk menambah tenaga?
Mantap kan? Mantap bagus.
Jawabannya adalah
Terima kasih sahib-sahib aneh yang sudah tonton video ini. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe video ini. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sama-sama nih, bangka.